Grabe guys, katatapos ko lang mag-workout and it's an instant 37.1 pips. Ayan, habang nag-workout. So, I just received a notification and then finalo ko yung signal. Okay, and then yun. So, tayo magsaset up ng lot size. Okay, and then nakadepende sa capital mo kung ano yung lot size nilalagay mo. So, lahat yan natututunan dito kay AkashX. So, grabe guys, nakaka-excite lang kasi I've been waiting for this kind of opportunity. It's not my first time, pero iba si AkashX versus dun sa previous na nasalihan natin before. Okay? But all the Trading Academy, it's the best for me kasi we are investing in our knowledge, in skills. So, yung skills na makukuha natin dito, yun yung magiging source natin ng hindi lang basta-basta na income. Okay, it's alam mo na, 'di ba? So, it's very legit. Okay? It's really worth it. Every dollar na spend natin sa subscription it's really worth it. Kasi sabi ko nga, I just joined 3 days ago. Okay? And yun, hindi na nga sana ako mag-grab ng ganito. Pero ito yung opportunity na gustong-gusto ko talaga kasi it doesn't involve anyone. Hindi mo kailangan na mag-recruit para kumita, hindi mo kailangan mag-sell or magbenta para kumita, okay? Which is yun yung hate ng iba. Pero there's nothing wrong with that. Lahat naman, it's about selling. Kaya katulad nito, actually, even if no one joins me, it's okay. I still earn, diba? I'm still making money from trading. So, yun lang, gusto ko lang i-share yung aking journey dito sa Trading Academy na to. It's actually new company. It's been here for like, I don't know, 3 years or more. Pero just recently lang, I think last month, November 4, yan, naging ano na siya, standalone company kay Trading Academy. So, grabe, it's really worth it. It's all worth it. Lahat ng signals na binabata nila, super quality, high quality, very profitable. Kaya nga yung trading results ko, pinopost ko, sinishare ko sa Facebook. Grabe, all of that are proof, hindi para magyabang, kundi yung iba kasi napakadami nagtatanong sa akin about trading. So this is it. This is the opportunity you've been waiting for para matutunan mong mag-trade, okay? Maging profitable trader. And yun, we're not wasting money here. So, that's all for now. Just stay in touch. Ipopost ko lahat yung journey ko dito kay AkashX. That's it. Bye-bye.